If you own a Tesla and feel like the factory sound system is missing bass, you're definitely not alone. Tesla does a lot of things extremely well, but for many owners, low-end response just isn't quite where it needs to be. Today, we're going to show you our Tesla subwoofer upgrade packages that are designed to add powerful, clean bass while keeping the installation clean, easy, and factory-looking. Hey, what's up? Josh here from Breaker Stereo and Performance. Welcome to our channel that reviews all the best in car audio, performance, suspension, and more, because we don't drive stock. And if you're like us, where stock just doesn't cut it, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Now, these packages are designed to work with most Tesla models, including Model 3, Model Y, Model X, and the newer Model S. Now, we also support the refreshed versions of the Model 3 and the Model Y. So whether you have the earlier version or the new refreshed models, these packages integrate cleanly into those vehicles. One of our biggest goals when we designed the system was making sure the installation stays clean and hidden. Now, every package comes with a custom subwoofer enclosure along with a finishing cover panel that's designed specifically for each Tesla vehicle. The enclosure fits perfectly into the factory subfloor area in the trunk. So when everything is installed, the system sits neatly below the floor and doesn't take up any usable cargo space. Once the cover panel is in the trunk, it still looks clean and factory. But now your Tesla has bass that the factory system is missing. But the enclosure just isn't designed to fit the vehicle. It was also engineered with the ideal internal airspace for the subwoofer. That means the enclosure provides a proper acoustic load for the woofer so it can operate efficiently to produce strong, clean bass. The internal volume is designed to be the perfect amount of airspace for either the two sub options we have available. Okay, so you have two subwoofer options available depending on the type of bass you're looking for. The first option is the Alpine Type S series woofer. This is a great choice if you want tight, clean bass that blends very naturally with the factory Tesla audio system. It adds low-end depth that the car is missing without overpowering the rest of the speakers. Now, the second option is the Alpine Type R subwoofer. This option is for people who want a little more output and deeper bass response. Now, the R series is designed for higher performance and delivers a stronger low-end presence while still maintaining great sound quality. To power the system, you can either choose between the two compact amplifier options from Diamond Audio. The first option is the Diamond Audio Micro 2 V2, which produces 500 watts of power. It's a very compact amplifier that fits perfectly in these installations while still delivering plenty of power to drive the subwoofer. The second option is the Diamond Audio 8 UI, which produces 600 watts and gives you a little more headroom for higher output systems. Both these amplifiers include the remote bass knob, which allows you to easily adjust the bass from the driver's seat, depending on what you're listening to. We typically mount the bass knob right underneath the screen, so it's very easy to reach while driving. That way, if a song has a lot of bass, you can dial it back a little bit, or if you want more low end, you can quickly turn it up. Another important thing about these amplifiers is they're compatible with the Tesla's electrical system. They work with both the 12 volt and 16 volt Teslas, which means they're compatible across different Tesla models and years. Now, every Tesla package comes complete with everything needed for installation. That includes the custom subwoofer box, the finishing panel, your choice of subwoofer, your choice of amplifier, the remote bass knob, and all of the wire required for the system. If you're planning to do the installation yourself, we provide installation instructions right here on YouTube to help walk you through the process step by step. One thing we're really proud here at Breaker Stereo and Performance is the feedback we've received from our customers on these particular packages. Currently, we have over 50 5-star reviews and an overall rating of 4.98 stars out of 5. Many of those reviews specifically mentioned the clean installation, the attention to detail, and the improvement on the sound quality that customers experience after they upgrade their systems. That kind of feedback is really important to us because it reflects the amount of care we put into designing these packages and making sure everything installs cleanly and performs the way it should. Okay, so this is a 2023 Tesla Model Y. Okay, let's check this out real quick, show you what we got. Okay, as you can see, we have the R series subwoofer in here. This is the finishing panel. Underneath is the box, obviously, okay? So this is what it looks like. Put the box in, finishing panel goes on top, boom, ready to go. Amplifier is behind this panel here, and in all the Teslas that we do, the amplifier is hidden because that amp is very small. Whether you do the 500 watt or the 600 watt, doesn't matter. It's gonna fit behind that panel right there. So it looks nice and clean. No one really knows there's anything unless you pop this up. Then you see the subwoofer. We do offer a grill. You can put the grill over the top. You can still put stuff on top of this. So you have a little bit of area down here, the sides, and then the full back. Okay, let's go and check out, see what this thing sounds like. All right, let's go ahead and take a listen. Now, let me let you guys know that the Type R subwoofer is definitely the most popular, way more than the S, probably, I'd say 10 to 1. All right, let's check it out. So I was turning up the knob up and down, and you can see that there's a huge difference in the way it sounds with the subwoofer and without it. So if you're ready to upgrade your audio system in your Tesla, grab one of these today. Okay, my name is Josh. I'm with Breaker Stereo and Performance. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.